OrlandoInfo.com for special family vacation deals in Orlando.
You will always be in my heart, spirit who could not be broken.
On May 24th, see the movie critics are already calling.
So if you don't mind...
An emergency has been declared for this area. For emergency details, please tune to channel 18.
To make your rehearsal dinner tonight.
Oh, but I rented the pool hall, and I've hired a kosher caterer and someone to decorate. And
Annie, I'm having the baby.
great! Congratulations! Do you need me or Eric to come to the hospital?
No. You have the rehearsal dinner and the wedding. We'll call you later.
We have to go. I'm not delivering this baby at home. I want to deliver it to the hospital. I can.
Yeah. Isn't that great news?
Yeah.
An emergency has been declared for this area. For emergency details, please tune to channel 18.
And Matt agreed. This is Matt's decision, not mine, honey.
Okay, Dad. If you're helping Matt to convert tomorrow purely because you think that he is totally committed to it and ready to enter into a covenant between God and Jewish people, then good. But if, like I suspect, you're only doing this as a last-ditch effort to try to cause some sort of drama that might cause my wedding...
You know, this is...
An emergency has been declared for this area. For emergency details, please tune to channel 18.
You got me! It's all a joke. I'm not getting married. Matt and I are just big, practical jokers, and we thought we'd have fun tormenting our families for 3 months. Gotcha!
Don't tease your father. I don't like that.
Then don't ask ridiculous questions. I love Matt. I'm marrying Matt. And I think that unless you're trying to cause trouble by leaving Matt's dad...